Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about current division in parallel circuit. Let us consider R1 and R2 be the resistance connected in parallel, I1, I2 be the total current flowing through the resistance R1 and R2. So total I be the current flowing through this circuit. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2. We can write V is equal to I1 into R1, that is equivalent to I2 into R2 according to Ohm's law. Therefore, I2 is equal to I1 into R1 divided by R2. So, இதிலிருந்து நாம் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I2 is equal to இந்த I1 into R1 divided by R2 ன்ட்டு எழுதலாம். Therefore, total current வந்து என்னது? I is equal to I1 plus I2. ஸோ I2 வேல்யூவை வந்து இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். I2ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து என்னென்னா I1 into R1 divided by R2. Therefore, I is equal to I1 taking common into 1 plus R1 divided by R2. Therefore, taking LCM, I is equal to I1 into R2 plus R1 divided by R2. Therefore, I1 is equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So, in any branch, it is equal to the total circuit multiplied by that other branch resistance and is divided by sum of the branch resistance. This is called current division in parallel circuit. Now we will discuss voltage division in series circuit. Now let us consider the resistances R1, R2 be connected in series with the total current I flowing through this. Battery voltage source plus and minus is connected to the circuit. V is given by V is equal to V1 plus V2. We know that by Ohm's law, V1 is equal to I into R1, V2 is equal to I into R2. The total voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2. So V1 is IR1, V2 is IR2. I is taken as common, that is equal to I into R1 plus R2. I is equal to V divided by R1 plus R2. So substitute this I value of I in equation 1 and in equation 2. We get V1 is equal to V into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, in equation 2, we get V2 is equal to V into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Therefore, the voltage across one of the resistance is equal to total voltage across series circuit into value of branch resistance divided by sum of individual resistance. ஸோ இதை தான் டோட்டல் வோல்டேஜ் வின்னு சொல்கிறோம். வேல்யூ ஆஃப் பிரான்ச் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸை வந்து R2ன்னு சொல்கிறோம், டிவைடட் பை சம் ஆஃப் இண்டிவிஜுவல் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் voltage division technique in series circuit. Thank you for watching this video. Keep on watching.